This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Pavoni here. So it came in because it was clogged here in the group head. So I gave the machine a full tune-up since it had been a couple years since the last tune-up. And I replaced, so in the tune-up I replaced all gaskets throughout here in the sight glass along with the case and the glass itself. Then I replaced all gaskets throughout the group head, such as these. Also, there's one in the boiler cup, and here in the steam wand. And then I also did a loose base repair on this machine, so the base here was just a little wobbly, and that can cause some leakage, so I just replaced, it's a bit brittle. I replaced both of these gaskets, and that's about it. I just cleaned the machine externally as well, and so I'm going to pull a shot here just to show you that everything's working now. This is our test coffee, so might not pull a perfect shot, but it's just to show you the machine is working. It's a bit watery, but that's just due to our coffee rather than the machine itself. So, there you can see that. And then I'll show you the steam. Hopefully you can see that. Right. Oh, and I kept the old base just for the customer to keep. And I did replace it with a new one. That's about it for this repair. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.